an address tag. So now let's move forward to what address tag. So let me first of all put this one in my in my comment. So address, so our tab will be what address, and in terms of the address, we uses this tag for it. So we just write the same at address. So this is the tag for what the address, and for the use of the address is to mark what contact information for an author, or for what document you can. So like we normally use it to mark what the information for what an author, or for an what a document. It's just like giving the address of what a owner of what a document, or an owner or a writer of what a document. So that's the effect of what, or that's the use of the address tag. Now let's put this one into practice and see how it will look like. Okay, first of all, let me put in between this. So let me write so means you are going to write it in what, in an address form. So first I will write what written by, written by. So let me move to the line. So okay, let me give what a link, and we have already we said it already, how to what embed what a link into what a word. So that will be I'll give it an attribute of href, and that one will be, let's say mail to, mail to let me put it in this way, colon. So you can put the person's what email address over there. So let me write my email address, saidhamdan360x @gmail.com. Means we are trying to what embed what a link to a word, and which one will be the word. So let's say the word will be what IP tech. Okay, let me just do it like IP13. So that will be the word that will embed what the link in. So let me give a space and write let's say the name of what. So first of all, let me give what a breaking line, so that there will be what space above the text. So the line break, I always say it's preferable to use what the small letter, but you can use capital letter. So now let me write visit us at. So let me put a semicolon here. Let me put another what line break here. So given what a line break, let me write let me say www dot ip 13 sorry, not 12, ip 13 what tech. So ip 13 tech dot com. And you know, mostly for this one, like to be reasonable to us, mostly website we don't use what capital, we use what small letter. So to be ip 13 what tech, ip 13 what tech.com. So now let's put a line break over here too. So let's say that will be what box. So let me give what the post office what box. So let me me say PO box, PO box 57, comma. Let me give the location Tamale. So let me give what another line break here. So giving the line break, let me give it as what Ghana. And so with all this information, I think it's okay to enlighten us what the address. But now let's go and refresh our home page and see how it will look like. So have you seen? So means this one is what written in what in an address form. So can't you see the IP13 is being highlighted? So when you hover your mouse over there, down there you could see that the mail is over there. So it's saidhamdan@gmail.com. So when you click on it, it will send you to what your email box for you to what send what a text to the person. So that's how the address works. Now we have another tag that we call what the list. Yeah, we are moving toward the list. So let me put it in what in a comment form. I'm putting in a comment form, so it will be like this list. So in the list, in what using what HTML list, we have this in two types of list. We have what the ordered list and what unordered what list. So the ordered list has its tab, and what the unordered list also have what its tab. So now let's go to what list. So this is the tab for what list. We always write what li attached to it. So this tab we use it to list our item. So let's see, we have let's say let me write orange. Let me count there again, and write my list over there. So let me see banana. So let me move to the next line and write what my list. I will write what. So banana, I will write apple. So let me save it. Control plus S. Let me refresh my page. So I'm refreshing it. So let's see the effect of it. So we could see that what the here's what our list now. The orange, banana, and this. So now let's come to what I was saying. So in the list form, we have what the ordered list. So now let me put this one in the comment. So ordered list. So the ordered list, we use what this tab for it. OL. We use the OL for what ordered list. So let's assume now let's list our item over there. And for the order list, we will use it to what list our items in an order form or in a number form. So now let's list it. Let me say so let me write coffee. Then put this one is in another list again. So I'll write this one Ama. I'll give another list. Let me see kojo. So we are putting it in what, in the ordered one list tag. So let's save it and see how it will appear on our page. So first of all, let me give a line break over here so that it will give us some space to see it clearly. So let's refresh our page. So let's move it down there. So we could see that Kofi, Ama and Kojo, it has been ranked from 1 to 3. So that's the effect of what, the ordered list. So that's OL. So now let's go to what, an ordered list. So an ordered list. An ordered list, we use this tag for it, UL. So let's list our item. So let me use same thing. Let's say coffee. Hammer. So I'm doing one. Hammer. Let's say kojo. Kojo. So let me give a line break over here. So I'm giving a line break. So let me save this, Control plus S. Let's count there. Let's come down there and refresh it. So let's move our mouse pointer here. So can't you see? So it means like the list. So sometimes when you are to list your item, so when you use the list, it will give it what, in a bulleted form. But if you use the OL, that's what, in an order form or in a numbered form. If you use UL, it will also give you what, in a bulleted form. So it's just like an ordered list is just same as what, when you just put it in a list form, it means you didn't give it an order, so it will just do it the way it wants. But when you use the UL, the OL what list it one in accordance to their. So still under what list, we have another one we call what, the description what list. So now, so we have what, the description list. Description list. So for the description list, we use this tag for it. This is the DL as well, the description list. We use the tag DL for what, the description what list. So that's what the tag for what, description list. So now the description, we just use it to what, describe what an element. Let's say you may have let's say osmosis, and you have what, a definition under it. So that's the effect what, the description list. And within the description list, we have another this tag we call what, the DT. So DT will be what, our description what title, the thing that you want to describe now. So you put it over there, that will be what, the title. And when you come down again, we have what, the description what, details. So the description details, you will now give what this in the description of the title that you have given. So now let's do it like this. So let me give a description title like this, osmosis. So let's give what the description title is the movement of water molecules focus from a region of higher concentration to the let me cut it over here so that you will see our code work. From a region of higher concentration to the region of what? To the region of lower concentration through a semi permeable each through a semi permeable membrane. So means this is our description what title. This is our description what title, and this is our description what title, and it's under what the description what list. So now let me save it. Let me give what a line break over here. So I'm giving what a line break so that our thing will stand alone and give us what the right one overview. So we go see that here is what osmosis, and the definition follows by this. So have you seen how it is being done? So it's the movement of water molecule from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through what? A semi-permeable membrane. Now let's add another one again. So in between that, we'll give what a description what title. So DT. So the description title, let's say we are defining what what am I going to even define again? Let me say science. So we are given what a description title to it. Now let's move to what our description what detail. Our description what detail. So and back at high school we said is the method. So we said science is the method of acquiring knowledge. Hey, how will they spell knowledge again? Knowledge. Please forgive me if I'm not able to spell it well. So it's the method of acquiring knowledge through observation. And experimentation. I know this definition is not standard, but that's the basic definition for that for our tutorial. Now let's refresh this one too, so we could see that here is it. Let me give what a line break over here so that it will move away from the osmosis definition. So now let's refresh it. So here is it. So osmosis, that's the description title, that's the description detail. This one to description title, description what detail. So that's how things work over.